Are you looking for the top 5 best Pilates chairs for home use? Are you searching for a way to elevate your home workouts and strengthen your core? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Pro Body Pilates Exercise Ball. First up is the Pro Body Pilates Exercise Ball, priced at just $19.95. What caught my attention was its anti-burst and slip-resistant design, making it a reliable choice for intense workouts. If you want a stable ball for Pilates or yoga, this is worth a serious look. This exercise ball is made from robust PVC material and can support weight up to 330 pounds, which is fantastic if you're worried about stability during your sessions. The fact that it comes in 5 different sizes means you can pick one that suits your height and comfort best. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having the right size helps you maintain proper posture and enhances your workout efficiency. Now, some people complained about it being a bit slippery on certain surfaces. Here's the thing though, as long as you use it on a non-slip mat, you should be good to go. Plus, it includes a pump and instructional exercises, so you're set right out of the box. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to start Pilates at home without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a chair-like structure for more traditional Pilates workouts.
Product number 2, Toes Home Pilates Socks. Next, we have the Toes Home Pilates Socks, priced at $12.59. What really stood out to me was their non-slip design, which is crucial for maintaining balance during your workouts. If you want to enhance your grip and stability, these socks are worth a serious look. These socks are equipped with thick, dotted grips that keep your feet firmly planted on the floor or mat. This feature helps increase your confidence during Pilates, ensuring you can focus on form rather than worrying about slipping. Plus, they're stylish and can double as comfy home socks, making them versatile for everyday wear. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A better grip means less chance of injury and a more effective workout. Some reviews mentioned that they're a bit tight around the ankles. I'll be real with you, if you have larger feet, you might find these limiting. But if you're looking for something that keeps your feet warm and secure during your sessions, these are perfect. This is ideal for you if you want a reliable pair of socks that can handle various workouts, from Pilates to yoga. Skip this if you prefer more traditional footwear for your workouts. At this price point, they offer great value and performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even. Product number 3, Nanity Pilates Kit. Now, let's talk about the Nanity Pilates Kit, which you can grab for $52.99. This all-in-one workout set caught my eye because it includes so many essential tools for both beginners and seasoned practitioners. If you want a complete solution for your home Pilates routine, this is definitely worth a serious look. The kit comes with a 14.5-inch Pilates ring, a yoga ball, ankle weights, resistance bands, sliders, and grip socks, giving you everything you need to target major muscle groups. You can use it to tone your arms, legs, and core, which is crucial for building a balanced body. The adjustable weights and various resistance levels mean you can customize your workout as you progress. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having multiple tools allows for a more varied and engaging fitness routine, preventing boredom and promoting consistency. Some users have mentioned that the quality of the accessories felt a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, it's a budget kit, and for the range of items you get, it's pretty impressive. If you're just starting, you might not need top-tier equipment yet. This is perfect for you if you're looking to kickstart your Pilates journey with a variety of tools. Skip this if you're already advanced and need professional-grade equipment. Considering the price, it offers great value for a comprehensive starter kit. Now, if the Nanity kit seemed a bit overwhelming, the next
Product number 4, Tri-Deer Exercise Ball. Next is the Tri-Deer Exercise Ball, priced at $18.99. I was drawn to its dual function as both a workout ball and an office chair alternative. If you want to improve your posture while working from home, this is worth a serious look. This ball can support up to 330 pounds and features an anti-burst structure, so you can focus on your workouts or use it as a chair without fearing sudden deflation. This is huge for your peace of mind, especially if you're using it in an office setting. The PVC material is also eco-friendly and meets safety standards, which is a nice touch for those who care about their health and the environment. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Using this ball as a chair can help engage your core and improve back pain from long sitting hours. However, some users found that it could roll away if not used properly. Here's the thing. If you place it in a designated spot and use it correctly, you shouldn't have issues. Just be mindful of using it in spaces where it can roll. This is ideal for you if you're looking for a multi-purpose product that can enhance your home office and workout routine. Skip this if you need a dedicated Pilates chair for more structured exercises. For under $20, it's a solid investment into both fitness and workplace comfort. All right, we've covered
Product number 5, New Plot Pilates Essentials Kit. Finally, we have the New Plot Pilates Essentials Kit, priced at $22.99. What caught my attention here is its all-in-one nature, including a variety of tools that cater to both beginners and more advanced users. If you want a compact kit that covers all your Pilates needs, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a Pilates ring, booty bands, a yoga ball, a figure 8 resistance band, and more, perfect for toning and stretching. The eco-friendly materials ensure that you're working out safely and sustainably. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having diverse equipment helps target different muscle groups and keeps workouts fresh, which is crucial for maintaining motivation. Some customers noted that the bands lose elasticity over time. Here's the thing though, for the price, they're still effective for beginners and casual users. If you push your limits, you may need to replace them eventually, but they're a great starting point. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly, comprehensive Pilates kit. Skip this if you're already a pro needing advanced gear. For under $25.
So, to quickly recap, we looked at the Pro Body Exercise Ball, Toes Home Pilates Socks, Nanati Pilates Kit, Trideer Exercise Ball, and New Plot Pilates Essentials Kit. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Nanati Pilates Kit because it offers the most comprehensive set of tools for a beginner. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Toes Home Pilates Socks if you have larger feet, as they might not fit comfortably.